Hey folks, Dan Frio here, the rate update. Today is February 3rd, 2021. Welcome to the Scrub Update with Dan Frio. Scrub is stocks, crypto, real estate, and bonds. You're going to like what's going on with stocks. A lot of earnings came out kind of blowing away estimates. Crypto is on a tear. Real estate rates are stable right now. I'm expecting a pullback in that market. I'll get to that in a second, as well as bonds. Don't go away. We'll be right back. Okay, so out today we had jobs report, and there were 174,000 jobs created in the month of January. The estimate was 54,000, so we almost tripled that number. Revisions from last month were up 70,000 with an adjustment of, we still lost a ton of jobs in December, but January was a great month. Earnings season is here. Let me focus this. Sorry, guys. Earnings season is here, and a lot of the technical companies are blowing away the estimates. Crypto is killing it today. And if we're going to go over what my watch list was from yesterday, and let's see where we went, and the two that I added to my positions yesterday, let's see how those did. So again, I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a wealth advisor. I'm a mortgage guy. And if you need help with your mortgage, I'd love to help you. But what I want to do is show or expand my knowledge on all this stuff. I several people comment on YouTube that says, "Hey Dan, great job. You know, you're going to take over Dave Ramsey's spot and stuff like that." Guys, I'm just here to educate you. I got no skin in the game. I'm not trying to sell you stock. I'm not trying to sell you insurance. I'm not trying to sell you annuities. I'm not trying to sell you anything. If I can help give you a quote on a mortgage, sweet. But I'm just trying to be a good steward of what's up here and show you guys, or at least try to educate you guys on a normal, blue collar person's knowledge of the markets and stocks. I go over stocks because anybody and everybody can invest in stocks. Crypto, that's younger people, and if you're really risk adverse, you can make great returns in crypto market like Bitcoin and others. But the volatility is crazy. Then as you progress through age, you're probably going to look at real estate. Most wealth in the country and the world is created through real estate. Believe it or not, it's still the number one piece. And then the bond market. We just go over the bonds to just show trends on what's going, because the bond market has a lot of input in what's going on with mortgage rates, the stock market, and a whole bunch of stuff. So let's get on to it. What's the stock market doing right now? Well, it's not doing great, but it's not doing bad. Let's get over to stocks. Amazon and Google came out last night and blew away their earnings estimates. So that's great news. You're gonna also hear the big headlines right now is Jeff Bezos. He's the founder and creator of Amazon. He's stepping down as the CEO. But Andy Jassy's taken over. He's been there for, I think, 25 years. He knows what's going on. Jeff Bezos isn't a dumb guy. He's going to still stay on the board. So I don't expect any hiccups at all with Amazon. I hold Amazon in my portfolio. But again, the job numbers came out. They were good, really good, exceeded expectations. Earnings are coming out that are doing fantastic. The Senate or Congress is still battling the stimulus package. Even though Republicans might not go with it, the Democrats have the ability to kind of override this whole thing and just keep moving forward. But there's a lot of sticking points in the stimulus package that are holding things. But it will happen. So that's what's going on in the stock market. Let's see. The Dow is down right now. I don't think much at all. 136. We were up 400 and some yesterday. So it's given back a little bit. That's to be expected. Here's some of the things that I just recently pulled up. Litecoin, I hold positions in all of these just for the record, except for, I hold positions on all of these. You can see just today alone, the Litecoin with Grayscale. If you followed me yesterday, I added to my positions on Grayscale, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So Litecoin is another cryptocurrency. So that is up 8% today. Ford, as I've been recommending Ford as well, added to my position there. It's up 2% today. UWMC, I'm in the mortgage business. UWMC is a very similar company to ours. We're a private company. So how do I take advantage of this robust mortgage business? I bought positions into UWM Holdings. It is up 5% today. The Russell 2000 was up big yesterday. It's down 1.57 today. Here's one of the ones I added to my position yesterday was Bitcoin, the Grayscale Bitcoin. It is up 3% today. And QuantumScape Corporation is up 7% today. So doing pretty well, especially with the Dow down 131. Okay, here's the stocks in our watch list, and you can see these are accounts are in my account. I'll get rid of my account number there. These are what I hold in my possession in my portfolio. You can see there's a lot of green there, which is fantastic. Let's get to it, and you can see the percentages. But let's go down to what we spoke about yesterday. The Bitcoin, Grayscale Bitcoin is up 3.75% today alone, and the Grayscale Ethereum is up 6%. And this is where I am gung-ho on this right here, ETHE. I'm adding my positions there. This will be this environment, and I'll try to post a video today exactly what Ethereum is. This is going to revolutionize the world. Ethereum, the Ethereum network. So that's that part of it. Litecoin, it's doing fantastic today. It's down though for the month because I hold the position in there. Now we get to some of the, let's talk about some of the Biden administration, some of the things that Democrats like. And like I said before, it's cannabis and the Green Deal. Okay, so cannabis, GW Pharmaceuticals is a medical supplier for cannabis. It's up 46% today. Where else are we on here? There is another one that we hold that is, where is it? Right here, Sundial Growers, and it is up 22% today. So guys, this is the positions I hold is right up here. I do hold that one as well. Where did it go? Well, I do hold that as a position on the Sundial. But Berkshire Hathaway, you can go through here. These are most of these I watch. They might duplicate what's in my own portfolio, but they might not. So that's where we're at with the stock market right now. Again, the earnings are coming in great. Employment's coming in good. The stimulus package is coming. The vaccine is working. Guys, you better jump on the train now before it's too late. You can pick, again, I would recommend the cloud, anything in the cloud. Amazon is probably one of the biggest picks there. Not only are they a huge retailer and logistics company, they're taking all their excess money and building out the cloud. So you're getting, basically 10 companies, well-managed companies in Amazon. But right now for a trade, what I'm doing is I'm buying into ETHE, and you can see it's not too late. Ethereum is going to revolutionize the world, and just look that up. So that's what's going on with the stock market. Okay, the dollar. What's the dollar doing? It's up. It was down just a second ago, and I still don't get this trade because we're printing money like it's nothing, and it's going to devalue the dollar. Trust me, guys, it's going to happen. If you go through here and you see this line, these are kind of trend lines. We're above it. We should not be above it. Okay, we should not be above it. That means what basically this is telling me it's a little overpriced. We should be trading down below it, down in below 90. So if you take that would be a good adjustment from there. Let's see where year to date where things are. See, there's over exuberance right now in the dollar. So I would not be a proponent of buying anything. If you're buying on the strength of the dollar, please be careful there. Let's go to the cryptocurrencies. This Wall Street bets. This is guys, if you want to completely play the lottery, this is up 1,100% in 7 days. Yes, this isn't a typo. 1,100%. This is if you followed the GameStop debacle and AMC and BlackBerry, where you saw Wall Street bets go in. drive that price up, 1,000%. And within the last 2 days, it's down 70%. So this is basically huge speculation, and you got to be in to know what's going on there. But what I'm following on this in the cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. These are what I hold in my portfolio. You can see in the last week, Bitcoin's up 20, Ethereum up 24, Litecoin up 22, and Bitcoin Cash up 13. Guys, you got to know what you're doing when you get into this market. So watch videos on this. I'm trying my best to put a specific video about cryptocurrency on. It's difficult because I'm trying to make it just in layman's terms, saying, here's how this works and whatever. But I don't want you to, I don't want to lose money. So I follow this tick by tick by tick meticulously, and I'm in on these positions. For example, on Bitcoin, I'm in at $20 or $20,000 a share. It's at 36. Ethereum, I'm in at $660 a coin. That's almost 3 times, or I've almost made 3 times on my money. So I can afford for this to drop. If you buy in at these levels, which I expect these to keep going up and up and up and up and up, but if you buy in at these levels, I mean, it's pretty up there. But again, dollar cost average. Every Friday I add to my positions. So that is the stock market. Now let's get on to, or in the crypto market. Now let's get on to what's going on with mortgages and mortgage rates. The real estate market is doing fantastic. Let me see if I can find you some information on that in here, just in the headlines. I do this for a living. Mortgage refinances suddenly surge, but homebuyers still do the sticker shock. We are usually in January, February, we're sitting here twiddling our thumbs. It's as busy now as it was, I won't say in May, June, and July, because between refinances and purchases, we are like crazy busy. We can't hire enough people. But the refinance market is never ending. So refinances, we're getting a lot of requests on a daily basis. Guys, we're probably at the bottom of the cycle in regards to mortgage rates. So if you've been on the sidelines, I suggest you jump in now. I always make a comment to my clients, if the rate drops at least, if we can get you at least 0.5% lower in your rate, down the road, I will do your loan at no cost. Okay, you have my word on that. So again, if we close on your loan and we have several monitoring systems that monitors your loan, your specific loan, and you'll get monthly updates. If the rate drops 0.5% or more, I'll refinance you at no cost to you. But this is what the trend is, what's going on with the MBS market. With the MBS market is mortgage-backed security bond. This is the biggest piece of the puzzle when it comes to mortgage rates. As this number goes down, it's in the red. It goes down. That means the price of the bond went down. As the price of the bond goes down, yields go up. So that means mortgage rates are going up. So we don't like red, but we had a nice run from here to here. And my prediction is, or my estimates are, we should be trading right where those lines cross right there. So we should be trading right in this range here. We're trading right here. So we should probably see, I'm expecting, about a 0.2 reduction in rates. Now, I can be wrong, but that's what my expectations are. Right now in the 10-year Treasury, so we'll get on to bonds. This is the last piece of scrub. The 10-year Treasury is up 1 basis point. 1 basis point is the second spot over, so it's 1/100th. So that means if it's up 1, oh, you just saw that move. It's up 2 now. You can see that live. I was predicting that this should go to 1.000. Last month, we were almost right there. I almost tagged it on the button. We were at 1.03, and then all of a sudden we had a rally in this market. So I hope this subsides because this is causing some concerns in the mortgage market. I won't go through that. That's a whole nother video. So again, my position today is to buy into Ethereum. You can do it I'm not telling you what to do, how I do it. I'll put it that way. I buy into Ethereum through my Schwab account, ETHE. That's a Grayscale Ethereum trust. And that holds positions in Ethereum. Or you can go to PayPal. go to PayPal and hit the crypto tab. You could buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash all on PayPal, and they'll store it for you as well. So that is it for today. If you guys like my video, please leave comments down below. What do you guys want me to talk about? I can talk about bonds, stocks, mortgages, housing, investment housing, whatever you guys want to talk about. If I don't know it, I promise you I'll prep on it. And I probably know it, but I might be a little fuzzy on it. But I'll prep on it and I'll come back to you with the facts. And that's all this channel is all about. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm trying to give you guys the facts and just show you some pieces of the puzzles. Yesterday we talked about short selling, what it is. Today, I want to just dive over the markets and what's going on. And this afternoon I'll try to post a video on exactly what Ethereum is, so you guys can learn how this is going to revolutionize the world. So please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Click the bell over there, so every time I do post a video, you get an alert. Other than that, I'll see you around 4 o'clock with my mortgage rate update. Take care. Bye-bye.